Okay, we're switching up to the Glock 34 this time with the 5.2-inch barrel. We're going to start with our, call it the control round. This is the 115 grain Federal ultra target and range. Let's see what the factory ammo does through the 34.
$1,221. $1,232. $1,235. $1,224. $1,228.
Okay, let's see how that compares to the Blue Bullet, 125 grain Blue Bullet. And this, we're starting out with the 4.7 grains of N320. See how that does in the Glock 34.
Correction, and this spoke here is actually N340 used throughout all of these tests.
1,104. $1,118. $1,109. $1,098. $1,104.
So out of the Glock 34, the 4.7 grain Blue Bullet loading comes in about 120 feet per second slower than the 115 grain Federal. Let's see what happens when we step it up to 4.8 and then 4.9 grains. Okay, so here's our rounds shot through the starting rounds through the Glock 34. On the top, you see the Federal. Those were the 115 grain ultra target range. And on the bottom was the 4.7 grain N320 loading under the 125 grain Blue Bullet. And we'll move it up now to 4.8. Okay, let's try the 4.8 grain N320 charge weight in the Glock 34.
Again, we're really using N340 here.
$1,124. $1,125. $1,127.
1,127. So again, not a whole heck of a lot of difference between the 4.7 grain and the 4.8 grain loading. Let's move it up to the 4.9. Here's our spent brass from the 4.8 grain load shot through the Glock 34. Okay, we're stepping it up to the 4.9 grade load of the N320 powder in the Glock 34.
It's N340.
$1,130. $1,128. $1,131. $1,124.
1,124. So interesting, again, stepping up a tenth of a grain from 4.8 to 4.9, not a lot of difference on velocity. Maybe another 5 to 10 feet per second. And here's the spent brass from the 4.9 grain N320 load through the Glock 34.